Hi, my name is Galvin from VAuG Automotive Group. In this episode, I will be sharing with you the reasons why you should consider buying or renewing your insurance with VAuG Automotive Group, and also why you should consider us as your preferred partner to process your insurance claim. First and foremost, VAuG Automotive Group has been in the car accident repair and insurance claim since for more than 30 years. So with respect to own damage claims, we are listed as the authorized repairers for 7 insurance companies at the moment. But if you happen to be insured by any company that's outside of these 7, you can still come and look for us because from our experience, we are able to recommend trusted workshops to you to assist you with your claim. As with all repair works, we only use original parts or OEM equivalent parts to ensure that the strictest quality is given to you, and when you take your car back, the car will be as good as new. With regards to third-party claims, because we have our own rental fleet of cars, we are able to provide you a replacement car for your usage immediately without delay. Last but most importantly, at VAuG Automotive Group, what we like to do is to assess the situation, and based on our experience, if we know that the liability is clear, we will actually pay upfront for you for the repair fees and then claim from the third party later on. So if you are looking to renew your insurance and want to have a trusted partner to be by your side in terms of need, please feel free to drop us a text or drop by our office for a chat. See you soon.